What is up, everybody? Storm Regional Staffer here, Rick McCormick, talking today about the new exotic gem from Roto Grip. It's got the MicroTrax Pearl Reactive Coverstock wrapped around the Defiant LRG Core. So this is the same core that was seen in the original gem. This is just the Pearl version. So it's got beautiful shelf appeal for your local pro shop with the purple, the blue, and the yellow. It's going to look great on your shelves. And mine is drilled pin over my ring finger, which is a little bit closer to my pattern, so it's different than my traditional layouts. And it just makes it read the lane a hair sooner, and then just a hair smoother down lane, but not too much of a difference. But the exotic gem for me, it's very interesting. This shot right here, I throw it in the puddle, goes to the face, continues very well, clean. And then there's going to be a shot that I'll throw here in just 1 second where I actually throw it to the friction, and it almost acts like it burns up and it goes a little bit too forward off the spot, which tells me that this ball and ball is a very strong piece. What I mean by that is when I miss into the puddle, it still reads the mid lane very well, but it retains energy and goes to the pins. And then when I throw it to the friction, it almost acts like it burns up because of just how strong the exotic gem really is. And I will be comparing it to the original gem. The original gem is pinned up over my bridge with the mass further away than my thumb. But the gem is a early hook and bowling ball. It's a snow tire is what I call it, for your heavier lane conditions, and if you're able to throw them on house shots, to give you that nice early smooth motion. But this shot I'm going to throw right here, sometimes the gem is a little bit too early or too smooth, but this one goes to the face. And then I immediately pull out my exotic gem to give you a comparison. As you can see, very nice complement to the original gem, where it's a nice clean motion, and it goes to the pins, where the original gem maybe hooks a hair too early. And I will be throwing the exotic on the 42-foot scorpion pattern. So there's not as much forgiveness to the right, so I definitely had to play a little bit straighter. But with this exotic gem, I think it's because of the bowling ball in general and because of the layout I put on it, with it being a smoother layout for me, essentially. This ball reads the lane very well, but it's not too much down lane. Sometimes when you have the shinier bowling balls, when they retain too much, they're way too quick down lane, where you have to open up your angles and you could possibly big forward then 2A10. This one for me, like I said, because of the layout and also to the bowling ball, it allows me to have a big, strong, shiny ball that's not too much down lane, that will still attack those heavier lane conditions. So I definitely think this is going to be a great addition in your bag. If you really like your gem and you want a cleaner bowling ball to get through that front part of the lane with the transition, this exotic gem will definitely be a great addition to your bag for the heavier lane conditions. Special thanks to Coolwick, Vice, Storm, and BowlerX. Head over to coolwick.com, stormbowling.com, and bowlerx.com for all your bowling needs. Thank you.